India is celebrating the 75th anniversary of independence, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and in this series, Saga of Freedom Struggle, we are honoring the freedom fighters and the heroes who were instrumental in building our nation. In tonight's episode, let us delve into the efforts of Jamnalal Kaniram Bajaj and the father of Indian armed rebellion, Phadke, in their fight for our independence.
He was moved by the plight of the farming community and believed that Swaraj was the only remedy for their sufferings.
He is popularly referred to as the father of Indian armed rebellion.
Despite being an employee of the military finance office in Pune, Phadke used to roam around the streets of Pune in Maharashtra during the mid-1870s with a thali and ladle in his hands and calling out, "Our country must be free and the Englishmen must be driven out."
On Sundays, he used to travel to neighboring areas of Panvel, Palaspe, Tasgaon and Narsobachiwadi to address the masses, and was apparently the first Indian to tour for public awareness, calling for the ouster of the British. On February the 20th, 1879, Phadke and his colleagues like Vishnu Gadre, Gopal Sathe, Ganesh Deodhar and Gopal Hari Karve declared the formation of their 200-strong militia outside Loni, 8 miles north of Pune. Phadke's team undertook some daring operations in the vicinity of Bombay and later in Konkan region.
In May 1879, Phadke issued his famous proclamation denouncing the exploitative economic policies of the British government. Copies of the proclamation were posted to the governor, collectors and other government officers.
The Times London on June the 3rd, 1879 carried a long editorial on the Phadke phenomenon. Later, when the Britishers tightened their grip, Phadke fled Maharashtra and tried to reorganize a fresh revolution with Rohilla and 6 in Nizam's forces, but his plans ended with his arrest on July the 20th, 1879.
Phadke was sent to a jail in Aden, Yemen, because the British feared the Indian public's reaction to his arrest. He died while on a hunger strike on February 17, 1883.
Vasudev Balwant Phadke died at the age of 37 years, but he paved the way for organized, armed movement for the independence of India. We also remember industrialist and Gandhian Jamnalal Kaniram Bajaj, who was born on the 4th of November 1889, founder of the Bajaj Group of Companies in 1920s. He was a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, who is known to have often declared that Jamnalal was his 5th son.
Jamnalal believed in Mahatma Gandhi's vision that homemade goods were the answer to India's poverty. He gave up the title of Rai Bahadur conferred on him by the British government and joined the non-cooperation movement in 1921.
Later, in 1923, he participated in the Flag Satyagraha, defying a ban on flying the national flag in Nagpur, and was detained by the British forces.
He fought the non-admission of so-called untouchables into Hindu temples in his hometown of Wardha. As orthodox Hindu priests and Brahmins objected, he opened his own family temple, the Lakshmi Narayan Mandir in Wardha, for the so-called untouchables in 1928. In honor of his social initiatives, the Jamnalal Bajaj Award has been instituted by the Bajaj Foundation. We salute this great industrialist freedom fighter.